Hello everybody, David here with St. Croix Power Sports in New Richmond, Wisconsin. Take a look at this well-maintained 2021 Yamaha Wolverine RMAX2 1000 with the XTR package in green. This is a one-owner machine purchased new from us, and it only has 3,353 miles on it. It's fully loaded with extras, including a glass windshield and wiper kit, a blinker and horn kit, side mirrors, fender flares, and even more. All the accessories you want already installed. Powered by Yamaha's 999cc engine and equipped with advanced Fox suspension, this RMAX2 XTR is built for serious off-road performance while still keeping the ride smooth and controlled. It's gone through our inspection and is ready for its next adventure. Don't wait. Machines like this don't last for long. Come see it today at St. Croix Power Sports, where your next adventure begins.